Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a place you can go swimming. Correct. Number two, we will. That's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The sea is calm. The sea is calm. Sea. Water around the whole world, also called the ocean. Now we can make a flashcard for the sea. We always say the sea about 99% of the time. And you can say the ocean. We have two words for the same thing. I think we say ocean more than sea. Please make a card like this. Write the sea up here equals the ocean. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 149 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. C. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer sings a song every day. Jennifer sings a song every day. Sings. She uses her body and her throat and air to make noises. This verb is irregular. So for yesterday, we say sang. She sang a song yesterday. And for present perfect, we say she has sung many songs today. Now let's make a flashcard for sing. Please make a card like this. To sing a song. Past tense to sang and sung. Please write that up here in the top left corner. Down here, IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. And over here, the number 29 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Top left, sing. Top right, sang. Sung. And the noun is song. Game over. You did very well. We learned the sea. And we will? Correct. If you're high level, level 2, a piano is an? Correct. Number 2, you have to look in your dictionary, nun and monk. Number 3, can you pronounce it? The verb to record something. It is Tuesday, July 1st. Happy July, everyone. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.